What's up, Backbane 4 here. I was going to give you guys a little update on what's going on with the F250 here. So first off, interior, nothing's really changed too much, just, parts, whatnot. Coming out of the hood here, we had to, well, me, the wife, Bo, had to do some upgrades. So coming down here, I got a new steering box, remanufactured at least, new lines, because what had happened was coming down here, the seal on the pitman arm here on the box blew out in the original box, so fluid went everywhere. New tie rods, new sleeves, inner outer tie rods, pitman arm, all that's brand new. New lines and whatnot. Got all that updated. Yes, it is zip tied in there at the bottom, whatever. The leak you see here is because on the line right about there, I got centered. That line, I forgot to put that nut in there, as I guess it's like an auxiliary part of the high pressure point. Forgot to, put that bolt in when I started it, so shit went everywhere. Other jobs for this under the hood I need to worry about is I need to replace the motor here for the washer fluid. Motor mount right here is done, so the engine will freaking lift up here, and I think, did it? No, but it didn't hit the hood yet, but it does. The shifter will smack you in the knee if you floor this thing in second gear from the dig, so not opportune. Air conditioning is missing lines, as you can see. I mean, I don't know the AC in this truck as well. I mean, somebody's been, I don't know if that's a factory or not. Need to get that worked on. This exhaust manifold right here leaks really bad at, I believe that's cylinder 1. Ford is driver's side front, driver's side forward is cylinder 1. That leaks bad. Got to get that solved. And beyond that, and new exhaust. Oh, and we're gonna ignore this ghetto butchery right here to make the negative terminal fit better. And beyond that, aftermarket wise, they're like the only thing I wouldn't mind doing. They sell a kit to convert, because you can see here from the air box up to here, no mass airflow at speed density. There's a kit where if you feel brave with going through all that wiring there, you have to tie in about the 10 wires into it to make it mass airflow sensor. God damn. And maybe find a tool that works for the fucking this is the hook up your scan tool. Yeah. And this, oh, it fell off. Huh. This used to be right here. Hold on. Find the hole. Find the hole. There it is. So, that was mounted there earlier. What in the fuck? So this is the trailer tow and the fuel pump and the, was it auxiliary rec power? This is some auxiliary thing. I wonder what that's why the fuel pump ain't working. But that was supposed to be here. Okay. Freaking, this thing's living up to its name. Fix and repair daily. But no, I'm gonna take this out today since I got the steering done. The alignment's kind of shot, but might as well, it's been a while since I drove it, so gotta move this thing out the way and then take it out for a drive and see how it works. And once we get working on it next time, we'll actually record it, since I finally had to buy new batteries for this damn GoPro for it to work. But yeah, that's what's going on with the truck.